Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I haven't been posting a lot recently because I've been through a lot the past month and I can't share it all with you guys because of the sensitivity of the topic. And I know that due to the pandemic, a lot of people around the world have been going through so much, and it hasn't been easy for everyone. And as much as there are so many things I could complain about, I am trying my best to stay positive and choose to be grateful for all the good things I have right now and have been given, myself and my family and friends. And I just wanted to be honest with you all that this journey is not easy, but that it will be worth it in the end. And speaking of which, I have good news that my school finally sent my documents to ECFMG, just the English diploma and the transcript of records that they finally have. And so I'm currently waiting for ECFMG to confirm the receipt of the documents and confirm and give me a scheduling number so that I can schedule an exam. And unfortunately, the step 1 slots in Korea ran out from January to March, so the earliest I could schedule is in April 1. But I'm hoping that along the way there will be an available schedule in March, because it happens sometimes when people give up their slots or they choose to take it earlier, they change their dates. So sometimes there are slots that become available. So I'm hoping that that's gonna happen so I can take it a little earlier than in April. But we'll see. And so I'm hoping for the best but also preparing for the worst. And I have another update. My laptop crashed last night. It has like this error code, like a stop code, and I can't fix it, and so I have to bring it to the repair shop tomorrow, which I'm hoping that I can recover all my files, because all my UWorld notes and all the Anki cards I made that I've been reviewing every single day is in that laptop, and I can't lose them. But yeah, so wish me luck. We'll find out tomorrow. Hopefully it's an easy fix and it's not like a big problem. So let's hope for the best. And as I've told you that I've been going through a lot this past months, and since I haven't been my 100% recently. For my mental health and self-care, I started doing some arts again, and thanks to my sister who sent me this art palette for watercolor. Yeah, so I started doing some arts, and this is one of the things I made. It's watercolor on just a sketchbook, and I'm doing some more. But yeah, I'm not doing it super often, maybe like once or twice a week, just for my mental health. And I've also been practicing my calligraphy again. I'm not so perfect at it, and I still have a lot of room for improvement, but I wrote these things as a reminder to myself and to all of you guys, so I hope it's an encouragement to all of you. So here it goes. I'm blessed beyond measure for what I have and what I've been given, and I choose to stay grateful even in the midst of this pandemic. And it's a reminder to myself and to all of you that self-care matters. So don't be too harsh on yourself. If you need time for yourself, if you need to journal, if you need to take a break, do so, because it matters a lot. Alright? And stay strong. I know things are difficult, but I am trying my best to stay strong, so please stay strong as well. And last but not least, you will make it, so don't give up. Stay strong and don't give up. This journey is not easy. It's definitely not easy, and it's a long one, but as much as it is hard, it has that much worth to it. And so I encourage you all to stay strong and stay positive and don't give up on your dreams. And if you need to take a break, this is not a sprint, it's a marathon. And so if you need to take a break in the middle of it, do so, but don't give up on your dreams. Alright? So yeah, that's all I have for today, and I love you guys all, and I wish you all the best, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.